welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my current bedtime routine. After I put the kids to sleep, I kind of started feeling just like stressed out about the day that I had or something that had happened that day, and I would just let it eat away at me. So I started implementing some of these things and they have really helped me get that under control. I now feel like I can go into my nighttime routine and just know what's going to happen and feel relaxed and be ready for the next day. Just really quick before we jump in this video, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It really helps out my channel, and let's get right into this video. So first off, after I'm done putting the kids to bed, I straighten up the house. I put away the dishes, make sure there's no dishes left in the sink. I sweep the floor, wipe the counters, run the dishwasher. I also would maybe throw a load of laundry in if I need to. Just anything that I need to do to pick up from the rest of the day. Like if there's any toys that are left lying around, gotta get those toys put back up. Cannot have the toys out. Yeah. So then after that's all done, I will make myself a nice big cup of warm tea. Sometimes when I'm feeling a little mischievous, I'll have a bowl of ice cream, but it's better to have the tea, so I try to have that. I will just cozy up on my little chair and I'll either edit a video that I'm working on, I will watch a show, sometimes both at the same time. I'll edit some photos for Instagram or for my photography business. Just something that I'm working on that I like to do and relax. After I do that, then it's time to do like my little stretching / yoga routine. And sometimes I'll follow like a little like yoga class. I'll find one on YouTube that I like and I'll do like a little bedtime routine. Or sometimes I just do something that I want to do, like I know what kind of stretches I need for that day. I'll really focus on like my back. I will do a lot of back twists and like spine stuff because I do need to do that to have a really nice sleep. I do find that the nights that I take the time to do a stretch before bed that I do sleep better and wake up not feeling so like stiff. So, and I'll also roll out my back. I'll get like a bunch of pops. So, I don't know. But anyway, so that's really nice. And then after I'm done with my yoga, I'll head over and take a shower. I always wash my hair in the shower. Sometimes I just keep it in a little cap, but I try to wash it like 2 to 3 times a week depending on how greasy it is. After the shower, or if I haven't done so already in the shower, I will wash my face. Sometimes I wash my face in the shower. Other times I prefer to do it outside of the shower. And I use my little spin brush to really get in there and make sure that no makeup is left on my face or that my pores are cleaned out. And take off any existing mascara. If I had put on mascara that day, I will take that off, and I make sure to use a good makeup remover so that I don't yank out my eyelashes, because that would be a nightmare. So then after that, I'll brush my teeth, and I use this Sonic toothbrush. Go ahead and put some oil in my hair. I do need to put oil in my hair because it isn't very, like it doesn't get oily, like I need to add some moisture to it. So I've been using Cheese Silk Fusion since I was like 12 years old. It's amazing, so that's what I've been using. And then I'll put my hair in a braid. I usually do a rope braid because it's nice and loose and it's not gonna like get your hair to be not drying. So if I do like a really tight braid after the shower, then my hair will stay wet all night and into the next day, and I don't think that's really good for your hair. So you want to do just a loose braid, but you also don't want to have your hair just flapping around on your pillow because it's going to get all broken and stuff. So I really enjoy this braid. I'm going to go ahead and apply moisturizer to my face. I try to moisturize my face every single night and in the morning too. And then I will use body lotion. This body lotion I love because it has shea butter in it, and I absolutely love shea butter, and it just feels really moisturizing and hydrating to your skin. So this is a newer thing that I kind of added into my routine. I use a lash serum, and I have noticed an improvement, so I try to remember to do that every night. I really like it. So, I mean, it's not a dramatic change, but for me, I'm like, well, that's better than it was, so I'll keep doing it. Something that has really helped me kind of just feel really calming and relaxing. I've been using an essential oil for bed, and I'll just rub that on my chest and then the bottoms of my feet, and it just kind of calms me, and the smell just kind of soothes you and go. And then my favorite part of my whole routine is picking a yoga nidra / meditation before bed, and I'll listen to this in my bed. And the reason that this is so important, at least for me, is because this is the step that has really helped with my anxiety. It just completely soothes your mind, right headspace for bed, and sometimes I even fall asleep while it's going on. So it just really, even if I'm like really feeling anxiety that night, if I listen to one of these, I'll fall straight asleep. So I'm really thankful that I'm able to have that. I just have made a playlist of it, and I just pick one that I want to do, and that's it. And then I just turn off the lights, and that's it for me. Lights out, and then waking up early the next morning around 6. So gotta get to bed. I try to get to bed around between 10 and 11, preferably more towards 10, but sometimes it just doesn't happen, so it really just depends. But anyway, so that's it. I hope you guys like this video. If this was helpful for you, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps out my channel, and I will see you guys later. Bye.